Hi, my name is Richard. Today I'm going to be doing a seedling graft, and here I'm going to show you some supplies that I have. We have scissors, some tape, also that's already ready for me to just take after we're done our graft. I chose a seedling already. It's a really healthy one, looks very strong, so we're going to use that. Got a Sharpie to mark the date, scapula, and a string, and a bag. We're going to first start by just cutting this off. It's not needed. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start our graft since we have all of our supplies ready. For here I have a cutting with the new shoot. It's about 2 to 3 inches. We're gonna cut about 1 inch off and then go ahead and then attach our seedling. So I'm gonna cut about here. So you see here, that's the cambium layer, and that's where we're gonna be putting our seedling. So over here now, I'm gonna be cutting our seedling. We're gonna get right on the edge, about here. I'm gonna go straight down. Okay, you have a straight cut. Now what you're gonna do to make this process very easy for you is you're gonna take your tape. Go ahead and put your tape on your cotyledon leaf. And this step is very crucial. You're gonna hold one side, match one side, just like that. Once you have it all matched up, go ahead and slide down your tape. Nice and secured. You're gonna check by lifting up to see that they're matching together. They look good. So now you see that they're gonna be flush down. I'm gonna take another piece of tape now. Put it right on there like that. We're gonna make sure that it's center and flat. So we're gonna do that. Okay. Tape one side. Hold it down. Tape on the other side. Now we're gonna do a visual inspection. Make sure that everything's nice and tidy. Now we're gonna secure the tape. You're gonna take a look at how big that area surface you have. I'm gonna cut something like this. Cut this in half. And then we're gonna secure this side so that nothing pops off. Just like that, make sure you press down. We're gonna go to the other side. Same thing. Just like that. Okay. Once you have all that on, you're gonna wanna use a ice bag, Ziploc bag, whatever you have laying around or you can get to. And we're just gonna cover right up. Make sure it's not touching. It's gonna look something like this. This is where our string comes in handy. Gonna wrap it. Just like that. And there you have it. You have a finished graft. So this you're gonna keep in the shade for about, or the bag on for about 3 to 5 days. After you see some callus starting to happen, like formation starting to stick together, you can go ahead and remove the bag. You continue to leave this in the shade for 15 days. After 15 days, you can take your graft and they can be in full sun. And you're done.